Everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Now we'll do the second part of the Goodwill blue box. And this one's like a big, look at that, like a big necklace. And it has the writing on it. Can you guys see it? Love is silver toe, and then this one is like, I think they're like plastic bead. It's like color blue, like a dark blue. It's like a layer necklace. If I can see, it has the lobster clasp and the extender. I just do $3 on this one. $3. And then this one has some wear, but it's New York and Company. It'll be $1. It's gonna be in a craft lot if anybody's interested in that one. $1. Then this one. This one is gonna be in a craft lot also. Has some verdigris on it. It's a lot of craft lot. So sad. Let's see what else. Then this tassel necklace. It has like the gunmetal, the gold tone, and it has like a truly right there, or is it? Can't tell. And then it's black in the back, faceted bead, and this is the gold tone. It does have some wear, like, and then it has some. This is like the lobster clasp. Have some luxicles right there. I'll just do $2 on this one. $2 for that one. And then I have this beautiful doggy necklace. Isn't it gorgeous, you guys? Look at this. You see all the rhinestone on it? Silver toe. And look at the back. It does have wear on the lobster clasp. But overall, she is beautiful. Look at that, guys. This will be $5. You guys can always change the pendant if you know, because it has wear in the lobster clasp. $5. And then shipping starts at $5. US only. And then this one's just a silver tone. I believe it's just fashion necklace. Has the lobster clasp. This will be $1. Okay. Yeah, it has a lot of craft item, right? And this one is just faceted stone, silver tone, and then it has the maker's mark, which is a express, and the lobster clasp. Let's see. I'll do $2 on that one. $2. And look, you guys, I don't know if this is supposed to be an earring or what. Look how big this is. Silver tone. And look at there. How it looks. Focus camera, you see? Is that supposed to be an earring? It's so big. I'll just do $1 if anybody wants that, because I don't know what it is. And then this one. Is this two different color? No, I believe it's the same color. Maybe the color is coming off. This is like a big earring also. It's gold tone. Yeah, it looks like it's like lots of gold or copper and gold. I just do $3 on that one. This is an earring. It's pretty big. Hoop earring. And this one is New York and Company. It's like a black faceted bead. Isn't it beautiful? And then it has the seed bead. See, that's the back part. And the seed bead. New York and Company. And it's black chain. Overall, it's pretty. I'll do $2 on that one. And this one, I don't know what it is. Does anybody know? It's like a red stone, or see the back? It does have wear. And it's on a rope. And this is their class. Barrel class. I'll do 3 on that one. I don't know. It feels kind of seems like somebody made it or something. 3 on that one. And I think this one is like a fashion necklace. This one looks like highlight. Silver tone, or maybe dyed highlight. And lobster clasp with the extender. And look at that. It's pretty. Silver tone. I'll do $2 on that one. And look at this beautiful seahorse. Isn't it gorgeous? It's a beautiful earring, right? It has the white, it has the red, and the, it's like a teal. This one looks like a 1928, I'm not sure, but their back part, look. And I'll do 4 on this one. $4. See, beautiful, right? $4 for that one. $4. Okay, what else? And the next one is this faceted. This one looks like a pink color faceted stone. And then it has the light color bead on a gold tone. It'll be $2 for this earring. And then I have this earring. This one's like a gold tone. And it has the, like a tortoiseshell. And the cross. And gold tone earring. The back part. That one will be $3 if you guys are interested in that one. And then the ring, this one, it looks like, I don't think it's real stone or anything, but it's beautiful. Look at that. It doesn't really shine in the camera, but it's beautiful. It's like a garnet red. I don't think it's silver or anything. I think it's like a fashion ring. Okay, then And then these are all single earring. So sad, you guys. And then this one is a bracelet. Like plastic bead with the heart, the square, the faux pearl, silver tone. It has the lobster clasp. This will be $2. It is sad. It's like a lot of craft item in this lot. And this one too, it's going to be in a craft lot. It's all dirty and it has a lot of wear. Maybe just throw this one away. And look at this beautiful earring. It's like a little doggy. I don't know if it's glass or plastic. I think they're plastic. But isn't she beautiful? Can't even see it, huh? This will be $2, so tiny. And that's it. This was like the worst lot that I got. Because when I see Nashville, Tennessee, I'm like, oh, I don't want to open it. And I want to thank you guys again for being here and watching my video. And then this one too, look, this one's like a pumpkin, but it's broken. And then this one is single earring. Yeah, it wasn't all great. And please like, comment, subscribe if you guys are interested in this kind of content. And this one I'm going to keep it because it's missing a pearl on the bottom. And this one will match my ring. This is like beautiful. I just need to buy a pearl. Put it on the bottom. That's it, guys. And please leave me a comment. Have a great rest of the weekend. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.